What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house located in Milano Drive, Hopewell, Hanover. This house is designed as a semi-detached 2-family home, and each unit accommodates on the ground floor a single-car garage, entrance foyer, powder room, storeroom, laundry room, living room, dining room, and a kitchen. This house is currently priced at US $465,000 or Jamaican $73 million. The first floor accommodates a master bedroom with master bathroom ensuite and a private balcony, 2 other bedrooms, 1 bathroom, family room, and a balcony. The dwelling house is newly built and in a good condition, finished with knockdown ceilings and a showy lawn external walls. The kitchen are improved with timber floor mounted cupboards, finished with granite countertops, solid timber wall cupboards. The master bathroom is fitted with a bath and vanity unit, while other bathrooms are fitted with glass enclosed stall shower and timber vanity units. Air conditioning units are installed in all bedrooms and common living area. The house has porcelain tiling and the land area is 11,305 square feet. Now let's take a look at this house. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.